Accidents. Most accidents can be avoided through the use of preventative measures. Causes of accidents. The two main causes of an accident are due to unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, or a combination of both. Unsafe acts are associated with people making poor decisions in the field, whether it be intentional or due to inexperience or knowledge. Unsafe conditions can either be existed or created, but steps must be taken to correct them before working in their environment. Unsafe acts and conditions. Unsafe acts are things that people do to put themselves or others in harm's way. This may also contribute to property damage. An unsafe condition is a work area that is inherently unsafe before anyone enters the space. An unsafe condition may be an open trench where sides are not protected. That, combined with the unsafe act of entering the trench before the side walls are protected, is what ultimately leads to an accident. Avoiding unsafe acts and conditions. Several preventative measures can be used to avoid the end result of an accident. These measures include safety meetings before the work begins, pre-planning work using tools such as Safe Work Plans or JSA, inspecting the work environment before the beginning of that work, and taking corrective action as needed. You can use a checklist to help identify hazards or situations, and train employees on site-specific hazards that may occur on each specific work site. Hazard recognition. 4 questions need to be answered before beginning work. 1. Why do we pre-plan our work? It is imperative to pre-plan our work in order to identify existing or potential hazards. 2. Who should be involved in identifying hazards? Everyone on the worksite has an ability to identify hazards. Additionally, a competent person must be on site to perform this task. 3. Who has the ability to stop work when a hazard presents itself? Everyone has the ability to stop work. If it occurs, it should be reported to the supervisor immediately. 4. Who has the ability to correct these hazards? As hazards arise, the stop, call, and wait method should be used. This means to stop work, report to the supervisor, and reach a solution that either eliminates or mitigates the hazard before continuing work. All of the items listed in this slide are some form of hazard recognition. They are job hazard analysis, a daily safety work plan, daily task analysis, pre-task analysis, construction work plan, and job site analysis. Although different names are used, their goal is to pre-plan work, analyze known and potential hazards, and develop corrective actions to eliminate or mitigate those hazards. When determining the appropriate action to take to a hazard, we follow the hierarchy of controls. This system seeks to completely eliminate a hazard as a first step of control. The hierarchy of controls is as follows. 1. Eliminate the hazard, then other steps can be taken, or 2. Substitute out the hazard. 3. Use engineering controls to isolate workers from the hazard. 4. Change the way people work through administrative controls. And 5. As the last line of defense, protect the employee with personal protective equipment. Some of the causes of accidents on construction sites can be linked to being in a hurry, inattentive, poor planning, or a lack of training. To add to that, here are the top 20 causes of accidents in construction. 5 of the leading accident types are motor vehicle, fall, struck by, electrical, or fire. Take a moment and name a few risky scenarios that have happened on your job sites. Always remember to speak up if you can help eliminate hazards. Accident reporting procedure. Emergency call 911. Notify office or company project manager or general superintendent. Contact the safety manager. Give medical attention. Post-accident drug screening. Accident investigation. File a workman's comp claim. And take corrective action and follow up procedures. You may ask yourself, when and why do we do a safety meeting? And when and why do we do a daily safe work plan? It's to ensure that everyone goes home the same way that they came in, but with more money in their pocket. Remember, someone is always counting on you. Work safely and make it home. Make safety a value. Ask questions when you're unsure about something, including about this training video.